It's lunchtime at Jimmy's New York Pizzeria, where the cheese is hot, the pizza is hand-tossed, and you're invited to make yourself at home.
Hey, Jimmy!
That's Jimmy in the kitchen.
I'm born and raised from Brooklyn, New York. I grew up in New York eating pizza.
He and his wife Evelyn moved to Oklahoma nearly 20 years ago. They opened this restaurant last year. Their whole family works here, from kids to in-laws, and even if you're not related, they'll still treat you like family.
I say customers because that's what people understand, but they're my guests. This is not a restaurant. I look at it as my home. You're invited into my dining room, and we eat in the living room.
The food is just incredible, it's amazing, and then the people here are just like family.
Family recipes are dished out here. Everything is fresh and made to order.
It's just really, really good.
Jimmy uses organic produce and flies in special East Coast ingredients. However, it's what you can't buy that Jimmy says makes his food so good.
They're gonna find lots of love because I believe that when you cook food, you have to put love into it.
And there's lots to love here, from pastas to the top-selling Stromboli.
My favorite is the Stromboli. It's, just a pocket of meat and cheese, and it's great for us carnivores.
And you can't stop in without trying the New York pizza with its nice thin crust. From classic cheese to the popular pepperoni to specialty pies named after New York's 5 boroughs, there are so many choices. Or you can build your own and name it, like Jaxon.
My favorite pizza is the Lola Jax. It has the sauce, the cheese, pepperoni, Italian sausage, bacon, and then extra cheese.
Jimmy sells by the pie or by the slice, and that slice is supersized.
And you get a 12-inch slice, like back home from New York, which are huge slices, people get shocked. And I love watching the expression when I'm in the kitchen and they look over and they go, "Oh my Lord." It's a nice experience because it starts out their meal really well.
So how authentic is this pizza? I brought in my favorite New York Jimmy, my dad, for a taste test.
Born in New York City, Manhattan,
So you've had a lot of experience with New York pizza, huh?
60 years worth.
So what do you think, Dad?
This is definitely New York pizza. It's really good. It's the best I've seen in Tulsa. I've been here 4 years.
And of course, you can't have the New York Pizzeria experience without saving room for dessert. Jimmy's features 2 kinds of cannolis, chocolate and classic. They also serve New York cheesecake. And then there's this, the cheesecake calzone. Inside this pastry, there's cheesecake. And you'll only find this here in Oklahoma.
My personal favorite is the cheesecake calzone. And everybody's like, hot cheesecake? No, but it is to die for. It is so good.
Jimmy's New York Pizzeria, serving up a slice of New York with Oklahoma hospitality.
This is New York pizza at its best.
1,000 thank yous. I feel that they've made my dream come true as supporting us, being here, enjoying the food, and I pray that in return I've made their dream come true by enjoying a good New York pizza, pasta, and a good New York experience.
In Tulsa, I'm Julie Chin, discovering Oklahoma.